Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you this cool button hover on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to make a button hover, just head over and click on this add element. And then from in there, you should be able to see some options right here. So let's head over to the box. Now under this box option, you will be able to see this container boxes. So let's head over to container boxes and let's add specific buttons. So for example, I will add this one and I will drag this into my editor. Now I will drop this and I will just resize it in order to get the actual button size that I want. For example, I will use this right here and I will just put this in here. Now this is the button that I want. Now what I can do next is I can add in a text for this specific button. So let's head over to the text. And then let's head over and add in a specific text for this one. So let's put in this text. And then let's edit this text. For example, let's add in call us. You can also change the font for this text in here. So let's just put in this specific thing. And then let's change the font size in order to match what we have on the text right here. So let's just resize it in order to reach this. So we have this call us button right here now. So let's just head over and finish up everything. Now what we can do next is we need to change the color of the text. So in order to change that, let's just head over to this. And then let's head over and click on this white right here. And now that we have gathered everything, what we need to do next is to just click on this container box. And then from in there, you can see this icon, which is the hover interactions. Just click on that. Then click on get started. And then click on this choose effect. And then you can choose grow, shrink, skew, or rotate. So for me, I'll just choose rotate. And then from in there, I will just head over and close this one. Now let's head over now to the text itself and let's head over and link it to another option. So since this is a call us, just head over to the phone number and let's add in here a phone number that people can contact us with. So in here, just head over to the done. And then from in there, let's head over and preview what it looks like. Now that we have the preview button, we should be able to see it. So let's just wait for the preview. And then in here, we can now see our site. So let's hover to this specific button. So when I hover to this, it will skew just like this. So as you can see, this is interesting and fun way to use your button. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.